What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Matt? Quick demo video for you for your MHS Saber that you sent me. When you sent this to me, it didn't have any holes for any switches. It didn't have a blade retention, so I went ahead and I put that in for you. You got a blade retention right here. And then we used this is an aluminum dual tactile switch from TJ Wells over at Ignition Saber Company. And then I countersunk that in here, so it's nice and flush, okay? It's installed the CFX. It's got 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker in it. And then it's got the stock V3 MPXLs, if you can see those there. This does have removable chassis, so you can get to this a few different ways. When it doesn't have a battery in it, you can go ahead and you can take the pommel off. I made this chassis pretty tight, and I'll tell you why I did that here in a second. But we'll go ahead and we'll just take this pommel off. Like that. You'll see your speaker there. You can go like that and your chassis will pop out, and you can just go ahead and bring it all the way out just like that. I'll put this off to the side. So I got that crystal in there that you asked for. I got your CFX board in there. Right there, easy access to your SD card, so you can pop it in and out with your finger just like that. Your Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker back here. And then of course you got a removable battery set up here. This crystal does run in line with your blade. It's wired in line with your blade, right? So it'll be whatever color your blade is. Now the reason I made this chassis tight was because I wanted you to be able to access this crystal when the Saber was on. Since it's a CFX and you don't have motion controls, you have to have the switches to light the crystal up. So we'll throw a battery in here. It's just got the stock font package on it for now, but you can put it in any way you want. When you put it in, it is tight though, so just go ahead and push it in. When you go to pushing on this chassis, don't push in the middle of the speaker, push on the sides. And then we'll take the pommel, and I've got a spacer in this pommel right here that doesn't come out. That helps push the chassis forward, and it will engage the 14-pin PCB that you've got in here, right? And just tighten that down as much as you can. It should lock in all the way. And then you can come over here and hit activation, which is your top switch. Turn the slide off. Nice smooth swing. You do have just a stock font package on here for now. But bottom switch is your auxiliary. We'll turn it off and we'll throw a blade in. Actually, before we throw the blade in, I'll show you why I made that chassis tight. So when the Saber's on and you want to see your crystal, this guy unscrews from right here, right where the rib section starts. So while it's on, you can go ahead and unscrew it. And that exposes your crystal right here, right? So you can check that out. Once you're done, you can put that back into the Saber, lock it back down. You'll see your PCB light up, just like that. And that's how we get around not having motion controls, but wanting to see the crystal all fired up, right? So we'll throw a blade in this guy. It does take a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. We'll lock it down. I put an 832 set screw right here for your blade retention. Fire it up. Flash on class. Blade locked up. Now if you want to change color, hold down aux and twist the Saber. Now you can just twist through different colors. You can put more colors on here. This is just the stock color package. If we like that green, we'll hit a button. turn it off, and now when we turn this on, we got a green blade. And we got a green crystal too, right? It's like that. And we'll slap this back in here. Screws right in all the way. That should light everything up. And then to change sound fonts, of course, just hold down on your aux.
Sound bank selection.
Nightfall.
Crystal focus.
Crystal focus. Nebula. Nebula.
We'll take a blue if we can find it. You also have a bunch of blade effects on here, so hold down aux and twist the saber. Keep the button held down.
Spectrum.
Keep holding it.
Blade profiles.
You hear blade profiles. And then you can just cycle through a few of those. And of course you can change these out too, right? It's a slightly unstable. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and we will take the battery out. I'll show you how to do that. I'll take this blade out first. Pops right out. Now to take the battery out, you can go through the pommel, but it's a little tight. It's tight because, like I said, I want it locked in place for the crystal chamber. So what I do is I just unscrew the handle. When the battery is not in the chassis, it'll slide right through the pommel, right? But when the battery's in it, take the handle off like this. You can grab this guy, pull it right out, and then from the positive side over here by the speaker, you should be able to pop the battery out with your hand, just like that. And that's pretty much your saber. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, this guy will go out in the mail to you first thing Monday morning. All right, thanks.